So if you guys saw my previous video on the XJ, I did blow out the transmission and it's just been sitting there because it's a two-wheel drive transmission and I plan to make it 4x4. And like I said, I need to gather some parts. So I did gather some parts, gathered more than enough parts. I'm going to show you guys right now. Alright guys, so we have a 99 Cherokee. It is 4x4. It does have a lift on it, as you can tell. It does have a few extra goodies on there. Also, it does have a snorkel. And obviously this frame is pretty badly bent. It looks like some sort of like off-roading accident or something. If you can tell, bent and torn. Thing went in the wheel well there. Completely bent the frame. All sorts of twisted. So it's not looking too good at all. That is not repairable. So this car is totaled out. Take around to the back side here. It does have a rear bumper along with some lights on the tailgate there. And then you can put a fifth wheel on the rear of that bumper. But like I was saying, it is 4x4. It does have some mods onto there. And as well, it is a standard. So I am going to be doing a manual conversion as well as a 4x4 conversion. It does have full interior, which a lot of the parts that I'm not going to be using I will put on eBay, so make sure you are following my eBay page. So I am going to let these parts go on there, so if you guys are needing anything, make sure you are following. So it is a higher mileage vehicle, but you know, on these manual transmissions they could take a lot of abuse, they could take a lot of mileage on them, and it's pretty easy to repair some of the internals. That transfer case is an extra transfer case we had, and so I just threw it on back here. It did not come with the vehicle. Come on around to the passenger side here. Show you the interior. Again, everything is all there. So it looks pretty good as far as for a parts car. Very nice parts car. Now underneath the hood here still has the 4-liter, but it is the older motor because it has a distributor on the side there. The 2001 does not have the distributor, it has coil packs on there. But the whole motor is there, there's nothing missing. It does have a K&N filter, so I will be reusing that as well. So now the motor does run, but it does have a little bit of rough time running because the belt is hitting some of the radiator fans and what have you there out in the front there. But it does run. It was leaking some oil through the oil pan, but was able to put a temporary plug in there just to go ahead and get it running and move it on to the backyard. Now moving to the suspension on the axle, it has a torn bracket on that axle, so you can see that bracket is not on there, and then the other one is on there. But they do sell some aftermarket brackets that you can weld on, so that's something that we'll have to do. And then get a load of the muffler. Nice tips, extra nice, making the neighbors wish they had your muffler set up. And on in the rear, nothing crazy going on or anything aftermarket, just the lift on there. So that is the parts car, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Like I said, I will be doing a manual swap, a 4x4 conversion swap, along with some of these aftermarket parts. Going to be using them on the 01 Jeep. I think this is a very nice parts car. You know, it has plenty of parts, more than enough. So like I said, follow my eBay page if you guys are going to be needing some Jeep Cherokee parts, because whatever I'm not using, I'm going to be posting on up there. Of course, it's going to take me a little bit of while to just disassemble this, take pictures, and keep everything posted. But hopefully I have what you need. So now you guys can be expecting a lot of content on the Jeep XJ. I'm going to have a lot of conversion content, a lot of mechanical knowledge for you guys that have an XJ or want to get into the XJs. So make sure you are subscribed, and as always, man, I'm going to catch you on the next.